Okay, so example 3 on page 3 of your booklet. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to produce water. A, write a balanced equation for this reaction. All right, so hydrogen, talking about hydrogen gas, okay, reacts with oxygen gas to produce water. Okay, so I just need to balance this out. 2 hydrogen, okay, 2, okay, no, so I need to add a 2 there. Now I've got 4 hydrogen, so I need to add a 2 there. Okay, so that's balanced. Now B, calculate the mass of oxygen required to react with 10 grams of hydrogen. 10 grams of hydrogen, okay, so this is my known, and I want to figure out how much oxygen is required to react with that. Okay, so this is my unknown. Okay, so we're dealing with molar ratios, so I need to convert this value to moles. So moles is mass over molar mass. Mass 10 grams, molar mass of hydrogen. I've got 2 of them here. Don't worry about that 2 there. So 2, so I've got 5 mole. 5 mole of hydrogen gas. So then I want to know how many moles of oxygen. Okay, so my molar ratio, I want to know the moles of oxygen. So I'm going to use my molar ratio and multiply that by the moles that I've found of hydrogen gas. Now my molar ratio is always the unknown coefficient, okay, 1 over the known coefficient, which is 2. Now I multiply that by the value of the moles that I figured out, which is 5, to find the moles of my oxygen here. So the moles of oxygen that I have is 5 times a half, which is 2.5. So I have 2.5 moles of oxygen gas, and I want to know how many grams, so what mass. So 2.5, what's the mass of oxygen in this case? I need to take the mole and multiply by the molar value, molar mass of oxygen. So mass is 2.5 times 32, which is 80. No, excuse me, it's not 80. Oh yeah, it is 80 grams. And that's it. That's the answer.